thought it would be a good time to set up this Lego kit. It's the Disney Winnie the Pooh house. I love it when I see little houses that are built into the side of a tree. I think it's so cute. The kit also contains 5 minifigures, so it's Winnie the Pooh, Rabbit, Tigger, Piglet, and Eeyore. And here's the instruction manual, and it comes with 7 bags of Lego parts. And the back of the house opens up and you can see the interior of the house. And of course, Olive will be my little helper. I tried to remember to take a picture after each little section was completed and made a little time lapse of the process. This was such a fun Lego kit to put together. The house is so cute. I love how you can open it up and look inside and see the interior. It's also fun to have all the main characters of the Winnie the Pooh stories included, and you can put them in the house and have a nice little scene. Olive was a good helper, and she was being very patient at this point, but she couldn't take it anymore. Every cat has their breaking point, and she just could not resist. Thanks for watching. See you next time.